In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to center objects in Photoshop quickly and perfectly every single time. Whether you're working on thumbnails, social media graphics, or any kind of design, getting things perfectly aligned can make a huge difference in how professional your work looks. The best part is, this method only takes a few seconds once you know it. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in, Jin. First, open your project in Adobe Photoshop and make sure the object or layer you want to center is selected. This could be text, an image, a shape, or any element in your design. Just click on the correct layer in the Layers panel so Photoshop knows what you want to work with. Next, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, that's Command+A. This selects the entire canvas. You might see marching ants appear around the edges of your document, which means everything is selected properly. Now, with your layer still selected, switch to the Move tool. You can do this quickly by pressing V on your keyboard. Once the Move tool is active, take a look at the top toolbar. You'll see a series of alignment icons appear. To center your object horizontally, click on Align Horizontal Centers. Instantly, your object will snap to the exact middle from left to right. Then, to center it vertically, click on Align Vertical Centers. This will position your object perfectly from top to bottom. And just like that, your object is now perfectly centered on the canvas. No guessing, no dragging, and no trying to eyeball it. Finally, press Ctrl+D or Command+D on the Mac to deselect the canvas. This removes the selection outline and lets you continue working normally. A quick tip here, this method works best when you want to center something relative to the entire canvas. If you need to align objects relative to each other, you'll want to select multiple layers instead, but the alignment tools work in a very similar way. This is one of those small Photoshop tricks that can save you a ton of time and instantly improve your designs, especially if you're creating content regularly. And that's it. You now know how to center objects in Photoshop the fast and easy way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and practical Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.